Welcome to our tutorial on how to view the topics menu on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, locate the More icon and click on it to access additional options. Look for the Topics tab and click on it. A pop-up window will appear, displaying various options. Within the pop-up, find and click on the Topics option. This will direct you to the Topics menu, where you can manage the topics you follow on Twitter. Once in the Topics menu, you will see a list of topics that you are currently following. These topics are tailored to your interests and will help personalize your Twitter feed. By accessing the Topics menu on Twitter, you can easily explore and manage the topics that matter to you, ensuring a more customized and engaging Twitter experience. Thank you for following along with our guide. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in navigating the Topics menu on Twitter using your PC. Stay tuned for more social media tips and tricks.